Okay, this video I'm watching now, bro. If I bo, the police be as kabia bubute those people, those native doctor bury nana. Yes. I thank God that finally that is the native doctors. That native doctor, that DBA bury those people nana. Watching now this video for now. Can the police do woji name interview? Well, me play the full video. Go for the type of interview and name this man. Yes, he out of wickedness, Ajobi, Keikarobi, Buo Madi Begi Buriati Nana, Buo Madi Begi, Berry Nana. Yes, Makani said let us go back to or this type of fruit, no good to Kaigach. Yes, if I may ask, let us be plain to ourselves. Or this type of fruit, because as come negat na this type of fruit. Yeah? Women are the type of evil gonna mean our Igbo land, got them much. Yeah, the type of evil, the type of calamities that they mean in this Igbo land got them much. And no, to someone like Manchester Zach, let us go back to our roots. Or this type of fruit, Igbo Mado, Guana, Tianime, because our canon get us in a gabo tradition. Yes, na gabo our culture. Okay, or which type of culture controls. Well, may play in the video, go for the type of interview in the community security they made this man. Go no fear. Go find case we buru mali begiti nana. Just watch and this is the cone fear.
Go straight tell the curious one girl. Kebunu buteria. Kebunu buteria. Kebunu guys again. Kebunu buteria guy. Kebunu buteria guy.
Onwe ndị nwere ajọ obi. Yes, onwe ndị nwere ajọ obi n'ụwa. Onwe ndị nwere ajọ obi. Igbo nwaanyị dị ime. This woman who na-afụ na my screen na bụ one woman dị ime. Igbo ya tinye na meso kapit. Sọsọ ka inwe ike nweta ego. Ọ ife aka gọvanọ Charles Koma Soludo siri anya na Anambra State si na ọchọzi native doctor. Yes, si na ọchọzi native doctor na this our Igbo land. Some people are saying that na Governor Charles Koma Soludo no stop their tradition. Yes. Open this type of tradition un chọrọ egbu mmadụ tell me so ka pit kun chọka I got in itself. Obodo aga mmadụ. Obodo efu aga mmadụ. Wo se ka mmadụ ibe ikara obi gbuo mmadụ buru ati meso ka pit. Governor Charles Koma Soludo na-eme some people say that na yes no that no stop their tradition. And many things. Look at kesi gbuo mmadụ ibe gị buru ati meso ka pit. Ka okwu abụrụ fe mụta dị run. Thanks for watching.